Self-confidence, the unrelenting flame of triumph. Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you to address a subject that is often romanticized, diluted, and misunderstood: self-confidence. Let us strip away the facade, dismantle the illusions, and confront the brutal reality of this concept that can either propel us to the zenith of human potential or shackle us to the depths of insignificance. In a world that reveres the timid and bows to conformity, self-confidence emerges as a beacon of rebellion. It is not a gentle whisper of assurance, but a roaring tempest that demands attention. Self-confidence is not merely about having faith in one's abilities. It is about acknowledging one's intrinsic worth and exuding an aura of undeniable authority. Picture this: a room filled with individuals, all yearning for attention, recognition, and validation. In strides a self-confident individual, their posture erect, their gaze unyielding, and their words a symphony of assertion. This is not arrogance, it is the manifestation of self-assuredness. It is the understanding that they belong in that room, that their presence is a force to be reckoned with. In contrast, consider the meek, the hesitant souls who tiptoe through life, terrified of their own shadow. They doubt their abilities, second-guess their choices, and watch as opportunities slip through their fingers like grains of sand. Their potential remains untapped, buried beneath layers of insecurity. They are prisoners of their own making, confined within the walls of doubt. Self-confidence transforms adversity into advantage. Challenges become platforms for growth, and failures become stepping stones to success. A self-confident individual confronts obstacles head-on, unflinching in the face of adversity. They embrace discomfort, for they know that only by stepping outside their comfort zone can they truly unleash their potential. Think of the self-confident entrepreneur who fearlessly launches a startup, undeterred by the statistics stacked against them. While others cower in the shadows of doubt, they charge forward, disrupting industries and carving their name in the annals of innovation. It is this unwavering belief in themselves that sets them apart, for self-confidence breeds trust in themselves and in the world around them. The impact of self-confidence on personal relationships is profound. It is the glue that binds healthy unions and the wedge that shatters toxic bonds. A self-confident individual communicates with clarity and assertiveness, setting boundaries and demanding respect. They do not wither under the weight of others' opinions. Instead, they stand tall, resolute in their convictions. Yet, let us not be beguiled by the allure of self-confidence. For every triumph, there are battles waged within. The path to self-confidence is paved with self-doubt, insecurity, and moments of excruciating vulnerability. It requires relentless introspection, an unyielding commitment to growth, and the fortitude to face one's demons head-on. The absence of self-confidence is a perilous abyss that swallows dreams whole. It breeds stagnation, mediocrity, and a life half-lived. Consider the artist who hides their creations, the thinker who silences their ideas, and the dreamer who watches their aspirations crumble into dust. These are the casualties of self-doubt, the casualties of a world that thrives on conformity and discourages individuality. Breaking free from the chains of self-doubt is not for the faint of heart. It requires a battle against the very essence of one's being, the internalized voices that whisper tales of inadequacy. It demands relentless resilience, an unshakable belief in the possibility of change, and the willingness to face discomfort head-on. In closing, let us embrace the brutality of self-confidence. Let us strip away the veneer of comfort and confront the raw essence of this concept. Self-confidence is not a luxury, it is a lifeline. It is the difference between a life lived in grayscale and one lived in vibrant technicolor. It is the unrelenting flame that ignites triumph in the face of adversity. So, I implore you, kindle that flame within yourself. Let it burn with the intensity of 1,000 suns. Cast aside the shackles of doubt, for they have no place in a world that demands audacity. Stand tall, speak boldly, and let your self-confidence become the anthem that reverberates through the corridors of your existence. For in the end, it is not the timid who leave an indelible mark upon the tapestry of time, but the self-confident who blaze a trail of audacity and leave an imprint that can never be erased.